Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into JPMorgan Chase investment account, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for JPMorgan Chase's investment account login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, look for the login section. You will see two main fields, one for your username and one for your password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that you check your entries for any typos. Below the password field, look for the Secure Login button. Click on the Secure Login button to proceed. If you have entered your credentials correctly, you will be redirected to your investment account dashboard. In case you forget your username or password, look for the appropriate links provided on the login page. Follow the prompts for recovering your username or resetting your password. If you encounter any issues logging in, consider checking your internet connection. You may also want to clear your browser's cache if problems persist. For security reasons, always log out of your account when you are finished. This ensures that your sensitive information remains protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.